Okay, it's video number 3, and it's me, Lisa Concepcion, certified professional love life strategist, dating and relationship coach, and founder of LoveQuestCoaching.com. And day 3's video is all about the good stuff. Who is your person? Who is this person? If they're in your mind, that means that they exist. So let's get them on paper. Let's start manifesting these people, right? Let's start dating with power and purpose, setting that intention that you know in your mind your ideal person. And we're going to put them on paper so that you can actually bring them into your real experience. Okay, so how do we get deliberate and intentional about writing down who is our person? Once you have your list together of this person, right? And you'll always make changes to it. You know, you'll have things that you did like and then you didn't, and then you add more. So you're going to revisit this list as you're dating. And so one of the things that we want to get clear on is, what does this person look like? Now listen, you see them before you hear them. So you need to know that you're attracted to them. And physical attraction is the thing. So we all have a type, or maybe our type has changed, or there's an energy that we like. There are certain values that we like. There's a whole thing that makes somebody in their physicality, the way they walk, the way they move, the way they just are, that we are attracted to them. So get clear on what those traits are. There's nothing wrong with them. People try to talk you out of the whole thing about, oh, you like a man who's tall. Like, why do you like a man who's tall? You're only 5'3". You like what you like. Make no apologies for what you like. Your person is your person, and that's it. So that takes care of physical. Most important also, your values. What are the things, you could have a good looking person, a beautiful looking person. My God, oh, look at you, hot. But if their values are not aligned with your values, never going to work out. So get very clear about your own values and what it is you're looking for in this other person from a values perspective. What are their interests? It's another one. What are they doing? Like, where would you find them on a Saturday at 3 p.m? What do they like to do when they're alone? What kind of music are they into? Are they cultured? Do they travel? Do their parents live far away? These are things that you want to really get super, super specific. What do they do for a living? How often do they work? Do they work on weekends? Do they work shifts? Are they the type of person that, they're pre-med or whatever, and they have to go do a residency, and they're up in the middle of the night, and you might not see them for 2 days because they're working for on and on and on. Like, you need to get super, super specific about who your person is, because then that's going to impact everything else about dating them, right? It's going to speak to how often you see each other, how often what you do when you see each other. And really getting clear about what matters to you the most in your life, and who is this person? What values do you share? So get really, really super detailed. I cannot even tell you, I'll give you an example. So my person, and I have a person, I'm with my person for 4 years. But when I was dating, I have a dog. So therefore, I cannot date a man who has pet allergies. So that was on my list. He's dog friendly. He's able to hang out with dogs. He doesn't, break out in hives or have a hyperventilation attack because he's around my dog. So these are little things. You have to look at your life, look at your lifestyle, reverse engineer that and be like, okay, based on my life, my goals, what I'm doing, who I am, the life I have, the friends I have, who is this person? Who can roll with this? And get really clear on what it is that you want. And then once you have your list, and check this out, right? You write down all your values, you write down who this guy or girl is, who this person is, and you get clear on what that looks like, feels like, tastes like, is. Then you look at the values and you go back and you're like, okay, so let's see, out of this person, what are the things that I already possess? What are the things that I already possess? Oh, look, in the physical, yeah, I want a guy who's into fitness. I want a guy who's really hot with abs and beautiful in the body. And oh, but you know what? I haven't gone to the gym in a really long time, and could kind of stand to lose some weight myself. So I think I'm going to start getting my physical on point. Do you see what I mean? You have to become the very thing that you want. If you want somebody who's physically fit, you got to hold yourself accountable and you got to be like, well, where's my fitness game, right? If you want somebody who has a really strong money mindset, somebody who's very responsible with their money, not stingy, but they're abundant, and that they know money comes in, money goes out. They have a healthy relationship with money. Do you have a healthy relationship with money? So look at the list. Look at all the things that you're looking for in a partner and circle the ones that you have already. And the ones that are not circled, ask yourself, how can I work on these things and improve these things so that I am then a like match to that which I want? If I want this, I need to become this so that we can hook up, match up. So that's day 3. Who is your person? Get super clear on who they are.